Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course on this part 99, how to add balance through transaction in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP. My admin inside this is available. This database name real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a database name. Inside this is available lost top table, and this my project is available gem folder, and inside this stdoc folder in this is a my project. This project is already open. This my sublime text editor. Let's this project inside this open this cmd means command prompt is a open this project directory inside. Let's PSP artisan server and enter. Successfully working PSP artisan server. This URL is a copy and paste this my browser. Successfully paste here. Let's admin login. This is the admin login. Let's agent is a implement. This is agent is a login. Let's click this user. This is a agent. Copy this Gmail account and password is a 123456789 and click this login and not now. Successfully login. Let's agent inside this transaction add implementation step by step. First of all, this sidebar open this resource view admin body, and this is a sidebar, and this sidebar is a successfully open. This is a good. Let's agent login is available inside this agent. Let's find this is a dashboard is a URL is a find. This is a not available inside. This is a agent is a not available. Let's agent. This is a admin. This is a agent is a available. This agent. Let's inside this agent dashboard. In this is a layout inside this sidebar is a available. This open this sidebar. This is the email. This is the agent is available. This agent. Let's inside this is available agent. Role why set this is the agent is available. Save file, and this is the main is a save. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this is inside this sense. This file is open. Let's save file. Successfully this is a minimize not use. This agent inside this layout inside this sidebar is available. This is open. Let's same here copy. Otherwise this is a rename. This is a remove, and inside this admin agent paste here URL, and this agent slash this transaction. This is a table is available transaction table. Click this transaction. This is the transactions. The same spelling is a copy transaction in this paste here, and this is the name is a send. This is only transaction. Save file and refresh this page. This is not available. Why not? This is available. This transaction. This is available transaction. This is a new menu is a implementation. This is a transaction. Please write down this menu only. This component is available in this menu. Let's click this transaction, and this successfully available add agent transaction. Let's copy and route inside this web.php. Open route inside this web.php, and this is available. This name is a agent. Let's inside this route get, and this paste here, and this is a admin. Otherwise transaction control is available. Transaction controller class and paste here agent transaction add. Same here copy and paste here add and save file. Let's transaction controller is open. This is a copy. This function is a copy name. Copy, and this transaction controller open. This transaction controller. This is available app http controller and this transaction controller. Let's new function is a create public function. Paste here, and this is a request $request. return view. This is a name is available, agent dot agent. Inside this is a new folder is a create folder, name is a transaction, add folder. This is a new add, remove this dot and save file. Let's copy this. Inside this new folder is a create transaction folder, new folder successfully. This is the folder is a create, and copy this and add blade dot php, successfully create. Hi and save file. Successfully hi is available. This is a remove this hi and this refresh this page and blank and successfully set. Let's open this email inside. This is a file is the same here, copy and paste here, and inside this is include last is a section end. Let's save file. Let's refresh this page and this is a good. This is a transaction is available. Click this transaction. First of all, this is available. This is a new menu is a implement. After this is a route is a create. Inside this is a create only, and this is a create. Let's add form is a include. This is a add form is available. This is admin blog, not blog. This is a this name is a let's order inside this add. This is a file is a copy. This same file is a copy, and inside this is a paste here. This is a paste, successfully paste and save file. This is only content copy, save file. Inside this is a forest loop is not use, remove. This is not use, this remove not use, save file and refresh this page. This is a form is available, good working. Let's this is a step by step. Name is a sense. Let's name is a sense. First of all, this is a transactions and transaction add. Same copy and paste here, save file. Let's same copy transaction and this is a add, save file add transaction name, select transaction, save file, and this is a transaction and this is a not used. Let's input and this is a name type is a text, txt text, save file, and this transaction table is available. This is a order id. This is any order id number is a set order id. Class form controller and required save file. Same here, copy and paste here, and this is a transaction id. This transaction id is a implementation and this is a compulsory is a required, and this is automatic create this transaction id, and this is a this manually create this transaction id. Let's this amount and this is a compulsory is a amount is a required. Last is a is payment status. Same here, copy and paste here, and this is a name is available is payment, and inside the same here copy and transaction, save file. This is amount is available. Last is the same copy in this copy, and this is a remove, select class form controller name is payment required option and this close this option value, and this 0 is a pending and 1 is a completed. Save file. Successfully all number is a implement order number, transaction amount and is payment. This first of all this is available order number, this transaction id name, this amount, and last is a is payment, and successfully all good. Please write down. Let's refresh this page, and this is available all good. inside this placeholder, not implement, this is implement, so bit good. Let's placeholder enter order number. This is a order number. This is enter order number. Same, copy and paste here. Placeholder this transaction, enter transaction. Placeholder enter amount, and last is available. Select option value, select payment, save file and write down. This is all done. This is the all implementation. This is available. Submit. So this is the all required. Transaction is any selected. Good working. Let's same here. Copy this URL is a copy and web.php open. Inside this available agent. This is agent is available. Route get post route is available. This post route. This is a method is available. Token and method is a post and paste here. Transaction controller same here. Copy class insert record, insert and save file. Let's copy this name and transaction public function and paste here. Request $request, save file dd $request, and this is all. Save file. Let's refresh this page and click this and this submit. Successfully inside this is available request data. This is available order ID, transaction ID, amount and is payment. This is all field is available, but this user ID is not available. This user ID is auth user ID is get. Let's refresh this page and this remove, and this auth user ID is get. And as it is not get, this is a table name is available. Table name is click this table name is a transaction table. This table name is a transaction. Open this model inside this is available transaction model. This name is available transaction model. Please write down this model. Same here, copy and inside this is already included. Please write down already included. Same here, save $save is equal to paste, and this is a new record is a implementation. First of all, this save is equal, this is the name is available. This name is a user ID, and this is a auth user ID. Auth user ID, and this is a auth user ID is a get. This second is a save. This is auth user auth. Inside this include. Let's use auth. Save file. Let's copy this. Auth is already included. $save. Second number is available. Order number. Same here is equal to this. Copy and paste here. This is a transaction amount and is payment. Trim $request. Same here, copy paste and paste, and this name is already available. Add amount, same number is amount, paste here amount inside. Next is available transaction ID, same here transaction ID. order id. This is the order number, not order id, only order number. And last is a is payment. Is payment is a set. Let's save and save function. Let's return a redirect back with success transaction add successfully. Transaction add successfully, and this save file. And the success message is available. The success message, this is a message file is available. This message file inside the success message, and this message is already included inside this not include. Let's include this success message list file is open. Inside this is already include. Same here, copy, and inside this paste here. Please write down this message file. All successfully implementation. First of all, this sidebar open. Inside this web.php route to route is a create, and this to function is a create, and this message file and this is a add file is a available. All implementation, please write down. And this is a model is a created this model. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website errorsolutioncode.com. Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. New website development, so please contact 7-year experience. This is lots of is a project is available. Please my channel subscribe and click the bell icon. Inside this follow all link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Let's refresh this page, and inside this is a refresh. In this is a 2 record is available, and this is a inside this not available. Transaction number is a implement this transaction number, and this is a implementation. This is a ID. Amount is a 9098, and this is a completed and submit. And successfully this is a record is a transaction add successfully. Let's refresh this page, and this is a transaction. Inside this is a implementation. This is a 2 number, and this is a successfully set. This is a auth ID. This is agent is a login. This agent is available. 2 number is a login. Inside this 2 number is a login. Good working. This is a successfully set. Any doubt, so please contact. And this is a working fine. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.